Hello everyone, today I'm very excited to do unboxing of PS5 which comes with bundle, that is you will going to get the slim PS5 with Spider-Man game. This device I have purchased from US, so the initial unboxing is already been done. Today I'm doing the another unboxing or re-unboxing with my daughter because my daughter is very excited and she is not allowing me to unbox alone. So sorry for this interruption, but the agenda of showcasing this unboxing to show that what are the details you will going to get, or what are the devices and documents you will going to get uh, during the purchase of this device from the US. Okay, the boxing is very intact. This box have it two boxes, one is outer box and second is inner box. And in inner box, like there are separate cabins has been there, in which like in one cabin like a controller was there, controller has been placed, and this controller is having a very good battery capacity, which will going to work for a longer period of time, as well as this device is also comes with multiple cables, like one HDMI cable is there, one C type, and one is charging cable. And in the inner box, you can say that um, all the documentation parts, all the documentation of this device is that how you will going to install this device, what are the different configuration could be required, how you can connect with the internet, how you can connect all the cables, etc. So the packaging is very good. Because this device comes with a Spider-Man game, so you will also going to get a code of a Spider-Man in this paper, and this code will be activated online only. As well as one more thing which I want to highlight, that if you are looking to use this code, so you have to create a profile, and in that profile the address should mention from the US or uh, Canada, because if you will not going to mention the address from the US and Canada, so this game will not be activated. So this is one of the slimmest device which I purchased in around 40,000 rupees, and 40,000 Indian rupees, you can say that. However, like if you will going to purchase this device in India, so it comes in around 60,000 rupees. This device also comes with CD drive and all. I hope that you like the content. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.